Good morning students. This is 10th class maths. Students, today we will do last exercise of chapter 9, 9D. In this exercise only mixed questions are there. Only you have to solve the equations. In some cases you have to show the equation equal, like left hand side you have to show to equal to the right hand side. So let us do one example. Suppose we have matrix A is equal to 1 0 2 1. 1 0 2 1 are the elements of the matrix A. Then B is equal to 2 3 minus 1 0. Then find A square plus AB plus B square. This is the question. So first of all we have to find A square. A square is A multiplied by A. So we will repeat A 2 times 1 0 2 1. Then again it will be multiplied by 1 0 2 1. So here we will multiply this first row with the first column, then first row with the second column, then second row first column, second row second column. So let us start. 1 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2. Then first row second column 1 multiplied by 0 plus 0 multiplied by 1. Then second row with first column 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2. Then second row with second column 2 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1. So this will be the resultant matrix. So 1 plus 0 into 2 is 0. So here 1 will come. This is 0, this is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 2 into 1 is 2. Here also 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. Then this part is 0, 1 1s are 1. This is A square. Then next one we have to find AB. AB is, we have to multiply the matrix A with matrix B. A is 1 0 2 1. Then B is 2 3 minus 1 0. Now first row with first column 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Then first row with second column 1 multiply by 3 plus 0 multiply by 0. Then second row with both the columns 2 multiply by 2 plus 1 multiply by minus 1. Then 2 multiply by 3 plus 1 multiply by 0. So here 2 1s are 2. This term will be 0. So 2. Here this term is 0. 3 is left only. Here 4, this one is minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 2s are 6. This term is 0. So 6. This is A, B. Next we have to find B square. B square means B into B. So B matrix is 2, 3, minus 1, 0. Again we have to multiply with the same matrix 2, 3, minus 1, 0. Multiply by same procedure. 2 multiply by 2 plus 3 multiply by minus 1. Then first row second column 2 multiply by 3, 3 multiply by 0. Next is minus 1, second row with first column, minus 1 with 2 plus 0 multiply by minus 1. Then second row second column -1 multiply by 3 plus 0 multiply by 0. So this is 4. 3 into -1 is -3. 4 minus 3 is 1. This one is 0. 3 2s are 6. Here is -2. This becomes 0. So -2. This one is -3. This is 0. So -3. This one is b square. Then we have to find a square plus ab plus b square. Then a square we have already find 1041 plus ab is 2336. Then b square is 1 6 minus 2 minus 3. So addition you know already. We have to add the first element of all the elements, means 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1. Next is 0 3 6. 0 plus 3 plus 6. Next one is 4 3. 4 plus 3 plus -2. Next one is 1 plus 6 plus -3. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here is 3 plus 6 is 9. Then 4 plus 3 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Here 6 1 7. 7 minus 3 4. So this one is the answer. So Rajesh, similar questions can come. Sometimes A and B is given. Then C is also given. A is given, B is given, C is given. So find the matrix X. Find the matrix X such that A plus 2x is equal to 2B plus C. Here matrix X we have to suppose. Suppose X is A is 2 minus 6 2 0 and B1 is -3 2 4 0. So this one is 4 0 0 2. So Raji, here we have to suppose this matrix any elements, means you can suppose A B C D also. So let us suppose A B C D. So here you have to put this A, then 2, then this X you have to put it here, then multiply 2 with the each element is equal to 2 will be multiplied to the each element of the B plus C. Then this equation you have to solve. Here this equation, then A you have to or you can these add kar lo, then equate both the matrix and you will get the answer automatically. Let us do. So here is 2 minus 6 2 0. Then here A B C D is another element matrix. So 2 is there, so we will multiply 2 with each. 2A 2B 2C then 2D is equal to, here 2 is multiplied by B, so we will multiply 2 with all the elements. 3 2s are 6 4, then 4 2s are 8. Here will be 0. So plus C is 4 0 0 2. Then add kar lo 2A plus 2, then minus 6 plus 2B, 2 with 2C, 0 plus 2D is equal to, here also add these, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, then 4 plus 0 is 4, 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2. Now equate each. 2A plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Here you will get the value of A. So also here equate minus 6 plus 2B is equal to 4. then 2 plus 2c is equal to 8. Here you will get the value of c. Then 0 plus 2d is equal to 2. Here you will get the value of d. Then put this in this matrix, you will get the value of x. So I think you understand the concept of this exercise. So students, try by yourself, do your practice by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.